Welcome back everyone, Mariah here, and today I am going to be answering three main questions about Bitcoin. First, I'm going to be answering the question, am I selling my Bitcoin at these current price levels in the $24,000 range? I'm also going to be going over exactly where I have buy orders set, and I'm also going to be going over where I expect the price of Bitcoin to go before the end of the year. Just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice, and make decisions based on your own opinions and your own due diligence. So let's get into it, and let's go ahead and throw it back to 2017, where Bitcoin broke out. It was in the process of breaking out and on its march all the way up to $20,000. So what we can see here, and I'm talking about, once Bitcoin went ahead and went over the $2,000 mark, I want to take a look at these pullbacks because we see all the way from approximately July up into December, we see that bull market in play. And I want to go ahead and just show you some examples of some big pullbacks. And for those of you that feel like you are missing out when it comes to Bitcoin, you're missing out on getting a good price, there are always pullbacks and there's going to be plenty of opportunities. The question is, are you going to take advantage of those opportunities and hit the buy button? Or are you going to sit back and say, I think it's going to go lower? So let's just go ahead and take a quick look here at a couple of the different pullbacks. So we can see here, let's look at August. Mid-August of 2017, we saw a pullback of about 20%. So we saw the price go from approximately 4,500 all the way down to about 3,500. Okay, let's go ahead and check out another pullback in the market. So let's see. This started September 1st of 2017, and this pullback was a 40% pullback. Listen to that one more time. A 40% pullback that went from approximately $5,000 all the way down to about $2,800. So this is in the middle of the bull market, a 40% pullback, okay? Let's go ahead and look at this pullback that happened a few months later. We saw the price go from approximately $8,000 all the way down to about $5,500, a 29% pullback, another massive opportunity in the middle of this bull market. So just to give you guys an idea, and this is obviously just my opinion, but I am a firm believer that this bull market is going to look drastically different from the previous bull market that we saw. The previous bull market was a lot of retail investing. We see hedge funds getting into Bitcoin. We see companies putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. We've seen the market truly transform with the thanks to GBTC. And so I think that this particular market is going to be drug out. I don't think it's going to be as short as the previous bull market. I think it's going to drag out longer, and I think it's going to be more of a stable climb. That's just my prediction. So I just wanted to give you some clarity when it comes to buying opportunities, okay? So that just shows you right there that there are always buying opportunities. So what am I doing? What I'm doing is as soon as I see, for example, Bitcoin go to $24,000, I am setting buy orders between a pullback of 20 and 40%. So I am staggering buy orders in that range, okay? And I'm adjusting them as I see necessary as the price continues to climb. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the current price. So it's 2:46 p.m. Pacific time here on December 19th. And so, for example, I went ahead and put this here of what a, 30% pullback would look like. So with the current prices, that could potentially be in the $18,000 to $19,000 range. I am more likely to be putting orders in the 20% pullback range. So you're looking more at just above $20,000. So I'm going to keep on raising those buy orders as the price of Bitcoin increases. So I don't have a ton of USD on the sidelines because I've already been in accumulation phase over the past years, and I knew that it was time to be in Bitcoin. And so I am just adding a little bit of what I have left. There are some days that I'll sell really small amounts of my Bitcoin, but I am nowhere near close to selling all or even 50 or 25% of my Bitcoin holdings because I believe that we're still in the bull market. I think it's just begun. I think 2021 is going to be massive for Bitcoin, and I do not want to miss out on that sort of price action. So where do I see Bitcoin going in the next few weeks as we are 12 days away from the end of the year? I see Bitcoin potentially hitting $28,000. And the reason why I say that is because of the current price action that we see. I still think that there's more room for upside. So what I think is going to particularly happen, let me go ahead and delete this here. What I think is going to happen is we're going to have 2 more days of upside. And then I think we're going to see a 4-candle correction. And then I think after that's going to be our march up to the $28,000 range. A lot of people, I think, will be selling between 28 and 30,000. So that's something to keep in mind. And I think that between 28 and 30 is the point where we could be potentially seeing that 20 to 40% pullback. So that's my current plan. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just hoping that it's going to be right. And make sure to do your due diligence and never take what I have, my words, for advice, because I'm not a financial advisor and it's also illegal. So that's all I have for you today. Here's the good news. You can get yourself some free Bitcoin by using my link to sign up. You will receive $10. I will also receive $10. And do not forget, if you have not signed up for WeBull yet, you can get 4 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,600. That's a heck of a deal. You just got to sign up and deposit $100. So that's all I have for you today. And as always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.